Essential elements of strict liability. The rule of strict liability was laid down in the landmark English case of Rylands v. Fletcher. According to this rule, a person is liable for damage caused by the escape of a dangerous thing from his land, even if he has taken all reasonable care. For strict liability to apply, the following essential elements must be satisfied. Dangerous thing brought or kept on land. The defendant must have brought, collected, or kept a dangerous thing on his land. A dangerous thing is something which is likely to cause harm if it escapes, such as water, gas, electricity, fire, chemicals, or explosives. Non-natural use of land. The use of land must be non-natural, meaning it is not ordinary, usual, or essential for common enjoyment of land. Storing large quantities of water, chemicals, or hazardous substances is considered a non-natural use. Escape of the dangerous thing. The dangerous thing must escape from the defendant's land and reach a place outside his control. If there is no escape and the damage occurs within the defendant's premises, strict liability does not apply. Damage to the plaintiff. There must be actual damage suffered by the plaintiff as a result of the escape. Without damage, no action for strict liability can be maintained. Conclusion. Strict liability imposes responsibility without proof of negligence, provided all the above elements are present. The rule ensures that a person who keeps hazardous things on his land must bear the consequences if they escape and cause harm.